namin na merong dalawang phase ang leptospirosis. Merong kasing tinatawag na acute phase at meron namang delayed phase. Ano pong pinagkaiba nun?
Actually, okay, so there are two phases ng leptospirosis. So, yung first, yung acute phase. So, dito very active yung bacteria sa ating katawan. So, dito usually we feel all the symptoms, no? So, we could get a fever, pwedeng masakit yung katawan, pwedeng masakit yung binti, which is usually common sa leptospirosis. And then, eventually, pwedeng magaling yung pakiramdam ng patient. So, akala natin okay na sila. Pero yun pala ay nag-move towards sila the second phase or yung immune phase na tinatawag natin. So, dito, konti na yung bacteria sa ating katawan pero lumalaban yung ating immune system. So, it will also lead to your multi-organ failure. So, pwede siya mag-affect ng kidneys natin, again, kidney failure, liver failure, and then may respiratory failure also.
So, ito yung tinatawag natin na it gets better before it gets worse. So, akala mo magaling ka na, pero silently, may nangyayari pala inside.
Yes.
So, Doc, possible po ba na wala pong maging symptoms yung kapag may leptospirosis ka?
Actually, yes. So, we call that asymptomatic patients. So, those na completely walang symptoms, pero may iba din naman na parang very mild lang, parang flu lang talaga siya. So, yun. Pero meron din kasing iba na severe na nagpe-present kasi hindi sila nagpapa-check up kaagad.
Kasi akala nila simpleng flu lang.
Yes. So, yun yung pinaka difficult para sa aming physicians na pag nagkaroon sila ng flu, hindi natin alam kung eventually magli-lead siya into something more severe. So, we want to catch it very early on talaga.
And speaking of catching it very early on, Doc, for example, nagpa-consulta sila, ano po yung mga aasahan nilang test or diagnostics pagdating nila sa doktor or ospital?
Okay, so since again I've mentioned na very parang flu-like nga yung mga symptoms niya. So of course we have to rule that out, no. So in our institution we have tests like COVID and then the flu swab, so that we know that it's not the flu. We also have to check your CBC, your complete blood count, to see if it's a bacterial infection or just a viral infection. And then we also have your leptomat, IgG, IgM, to see if may leptospirosis talaga tayo.
Yun. So, meron kasing specific na test, no? Para matignan natin kung may leptospirosis ang mga pasyente. And then, habang ginagawa natin yun, kinukumpirma natin na wala sila ng ibang sakit, like COVID or iba pang infection.
Doc, question, meron na po ba dito sa Pilipinas na bakuna ng anti-leptospirosis?
So, unfortunately, here sa Philippines, we don't have the vaccine yet. However, my other countries like France, China, and Cuba, they have a vaccine, but it's for a different serovar of leptospirosis. So, since there are a multitude of serovars, hindi siya applicable sa atin.